Hello children, good morning. In today's science class we'll start a new lesson, that is, what is this? Our feathered friends. Our feathered friends. Who are our feathered friends? Who are our feathered friends? Feathers దేనికైతే ఉంటాయో those are feathered friends. Who? Birds. Birds are our feathered friends. Birds ki feathers ఉంటాయి కదా. So those are our feathered friends. So we'll start the lesson in which we'll know about birds. Birds are of different types, right? So daily we'll see many kinds of birds. In our city we don't find much, but in villages we can find many varieties of birds. So birds, what do they have? They have two wings, two legs, okay, a beak, okay ma. They have two wings to fly, two legs to hop, and beak to eat. This is to fly, this is to hop, and this is to eat. So children, birds have two wings to fly, two legs to hop, and a beak to eat. Okay, with the help of the wings only they can fly. Two legs to stand and hop, and a beak. Beak means that nose will be there now. That is called beak, and it helps them to eat. Let us know more about birds. So birds, they give eggs, right? All birds give eggs to get a young ones. So manaki chinna bird kavali, young bird kavalante, first they lay the eggs. From that eggs we get the young ones. Adi sari hatch ayipote aa eggs lonchi young ones vastayi. Birds, all birds lay eggs. Okay, next. So these birds, they fly with the help of wings. Okay, with the help of wings. So in wings what do we find? All the birds, they have feathers in them. Now we'll know about feathers. Birds have feathers. Feathers. So feathers come in many different shapes, but all of them can be classified into 6 different types of feathers. The feathers we see are flight and contour. Down feathers are what we use in pillows, quilts and jackets. The other 3 feathers, semi-plume, phyloplume and bristle, are not common but still useful to birds. So feathers, these feathers are very useful to birds. These feathers help birds in many ways. So let us see what are the different types of feathers. First one is flight feathers. Flight feathers. These feathers help them to fly. Fly చేయడానికి యూజ్ అయ్యే feathers ని flight feathers అంటారు. Flight feathers are found 2 places on birds, the wing and the tail. So ఇవి ఎక్కడెక్కడ ఉంటాయి? వింగ్స్ లో అండ్ టైల్ లో ఉంటాయి. టైల్ లో కూడా ఉంటాయి, ఎందుకంటే it gives support for that to fly. Flight feathers are long and on the wings. Have one side of the wing wider than the other. They also have stronger barbels which give them more strength to fly. So flight feathers then help them to fly. They are very strong. అవి స్ట్రాంగ్ ఉంటాయి. స్ట్రాంగ్ ఉండటం వల్ల ఏంటి, ఎయిర్ తోటి పుష్, అది బ్యాక్కి పుష్ అయిపోకుండా ఫ్రంట్కి వెళ్ళడానికి దానికి హెల్ప్ చేస్తాయి ఫ్లైట్ ఫెదర్స్. నెక్స్ట్ ఈజ్ కౌంటర్ ఫెదర్స్. Counter feathers. So, counter feathers give shape and color to the bird. They are found everywhere except the beak, legs and feet. So, these are counter feathers are colored feathers which give shape and color to the bird. They are colored and they give shape to the bird. Ante adoka particular color prati bird okalaga undadu kada. They look different. So because of the counter feathers, they are differently colored for different birds and it gives a particular shape to the bird. Third one, down feathers. Down feathers. These are found below the what they call the bird ki kinda untayi, so that it gives air pass avvadaniki help chestayi and it keeps the bird also warm in winter season and rainy season and all. It keeps the bird warm. So warm ga undadaniki help chestadi anamata. Down feathers keep the birds warm. Fourth, semi-plume feathers. Semi-plume feathers are a cross between down and counter feathers. Unlike down, they do have a well-formed staff. However, they do not have well-developed barbicles which make them soft. Semi-plume feathers are found underneath counter feathers and are used for insulation. So semi-plume. Okay children, semi-plume feathers, these help in the insulation of air. Next, bristle feathers, they act as funnels in the beak. So while eating an insect or anything, it acts like a funnel. It helps them to put it inside. Plume feathers. This sends information to the brain about the placement of the feather and all. Okay. These three are not that important. We can't find them mostly, but these three are important. These are very common and important. Okay, these three feathers, flight feathers, counter feathers and down feathers, these three are important. And these three are not found much. These three are not found much, but these are also types of feathers. So just copy it down, ma. Just copy it down. We'll continue in the next class. Okay children, we'll continue in the next class. Bye.